Reading books is one of the most enriching and rewarding activities a person can engage in. Books are like magical doors that transport us to different worlds, introduce us to new ideas, and broaden our understanding of life. When we read, we not only gain knowledge, but also develop our imagination, creativity, and emotional intelligence. Reading helps us improve our vocabulary and language skills, making us better communicators in both speech and writing. It sharpens our thinking abilities, encourages critical analysis, and strengthens our memory. Books also serve as a source of inspiration and motivation, teaching us valuable life lessons and moral values. By reading, we can experience adventures, explore different cultures, and learn from the wisdom of great thinkers without even leaving our room. It is a form of mental exercise that keeps our brain active and healthy, reducing the risk of cognitive decline as we age. Reading also helps in reducing stress by allowing us to escape from daily worries into a peaceful world of words. Whether it's fiction or non-fiction, books open our minds to multiple perspectives, making us more empathetic and understanding toward others. They encourage patience and focus, qualities that are becoming rare in today's fast-paced digital age. Books can be our lifelong friends, always ready to offer comfort, guidance, and entertainment. They can spark curiosity, ignite passion, and lead us to discover our true potential. By reading regularly, we cultivate discipline and a love for learning that benefits us in every aspect of life. In a world full of distractions, reading helps us slow down, reflect, and connect deeply with ideas that truly matter. It shapes our personality, molds our character, and equips us with the wisdom to face life's challenges with confidence. Books are not just a collection of pages. They are treasure chests filled with knowledge, emotions, and endless possibilities. Reading can improve our concentration and analytical thinking skills, which are essential in academics and professional life. It also enhances our empathy by allowing us to step into the shoes of different characters and experience their joys and sorrows. For students, reading boosts comprehension, improves grades, and builds a strong foundation for lifelong learning. For professionals, it provides insight, innovation, and the ability to think outside the box. For everyone, it offers relaxation, pleasure, and a deeper connection to the world. In essence, reading books is not just a hobby. It is an investment in personal growth, intellectual development, and emotional well-being. The more we read, the more we understand the complexities of life, the beauty of human expression, and the limitless power of knowledge. Books help us dream bigger, think deeper, and live wiser. They remind us that no matter where we are or what challenges we face, we can always find strength, wisdom, and hope within the pages of a good book. This is why reading is considered one of the most beneficial and transformative habits anyone can develop, and it is a gift we should treasure and nurture throughout our lives.